Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This driver recorded a road rage moment between drivers who decided to resolve it in an old-fashioned way.
What the hell? Whoa, oh my god, what is happening? Stop, 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 this is like literally road rage. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, what's happening? Is there gonna be a gun? Oh my god, he's literally...
Oh my god. My camera's on.
Oh my gosh. What the actual...
Hey.
Guys, don't do anything stupid! It's not worth it!
Oh, that's fun.
Whoa.
Road rager gets instant karma after dashcam driver called police on him for aggressive driving and road rage. Distracted driver caused 4-car pileup. Luckily, nobody was injured.
Damn.
This is fantastic. You know, this thing called the score. Wow.
Thief gets instant karma after stealing a wire spool. Volkswagen SUV made a wrong turn and went through no entry sign, which triggered the Mercedes driver to get out of his car and start throwing punches.
Come on in. Oh, Jesus. Jesus.
What the heck? What's that on, like a truck or something?
Yeah.
Are we gonna be okay?
Not really.
Oh look, it's
This cyclist got yelled at for riding in a bike lane.
Who are you honking at? Was that at me?
Go.
Was that at me?
Yeah.
Why?
Go.
Why did you?
Go.
I'm allowed to be in the road.
Go.
I was off to. I was in the path. Why are you? Why did you honk at me?
Go. Go.
I can't hear you.
Go.
I can't hear you.
Whoa! Jesus Christ!
That was like out of character from the show. We go into your head and we hear what your thoughts are.
Car that was stopped at the lights made sudden turn, hitting this white Jeep, causing it to swerve and get hit from behind. Luckily, they managed to caught up to him and report him to the police. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.